What is up, everybody? Welcome to Tanks Only episode 3. I actually already filmed this intro earlier, but watching it back, I had this huge booger in my nose. We just can't be having that. So I already fished today. I'm gonna go out to the spot on the good old Tennessee River. This will surely be my last Tennessee video, as today was my last day to fish here. I hit the road for work tomorrow. But I'm gonna go to the spot. It's a newer spot that you probably aren't allowed to fish. You got to be kind of sneaky, so I'm gonna sneak back there, and obviously I already fished, so I know what happens. Stay tuned, because I catch a new species that I've never caught before, and it's pretty sweet. I'll see you guys here on the river in just a second. Alright, there was a security van back there. Hopefully they're watching these cameras. Hopefully there's no one in any of these trucks either. We're just kind of going to go for it. Water's way higher today than it was when I was here yesterday, which means this is not gonna be great for fishing from the bank. Woo. I need to get you some Merrells, y'all. These Merrells boots, they can grip, they're waterproof, they're just like the ultimate hiking. Oh yeah, look at that, 50-pound plus blue cat skull. Yeah, this water's way higher than it was yesterday. I'm trying out my new setup. So I got two new setups that you haven't seen on YouTube. This is the Abu Xenon GMX reel. Super nice, nicest reel I've ever owned. I got it on the world-class Fenwick medium light bass rod. I got the forward braid, Berkeley forward braid. This stuff is no joke. This is 8-pound, 12-pound fluoro leader, 1/4 ounce Berkeley Fusion jig head, and a Savage Gear 3-inch paddle. And then over here we got Fenwick Elite bass rod, medium, not a medium light. And then we got 14-pound forward braid. We got a 1-ounce Berkeley Fusion jig head with a bigger Savage Gear paddle, 12-pound leader right here as well. This is also the Fluger Patriarch. I don't know if I said that, but this is my other new setup. So both of these setups are brand new. They're both the nicest setups I've ever owned. I'm super excited. Dude, there we go. There we go. Man, this rod is so fun. It's a little smallie. Hell yeah. Oh no, no, no. Hell yeah. There we go, y'all. Little smallie. First fish on the new setup. First fish on the other new setup was a big smallie, but first fish on this one was a little one. Still smallie though. Nice little guy. Man, that felt fun on this medium light, y'all. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get a big one on this thing. That's gonna be a freaking blast. I'm so excited. I found my favorite setup. I found my favorite rod of all time. A little short strike. Classic short strike action. There's a little rock bass, micro rock bass. That was funny. There's another little one. This one's a spotted bass. Little baby spotted bass. Man, hopefully it's not just micros out here. I mean, I caught a micro here yesterday, 2 micros today, and had that little itty bitty little rock bass earlier. The trick to this kind of fishing though is just the super slow reel. Right, you want to bump bottom. I'm not bumping bottom like crazy because I don't know the spot. I don't know where the snags are. But just like painfully slow reel. So you can just cruise as deep as you can. There's one. I don't think it's a bass though. What are you? A big stinky drum. Don't waste my time. Try to get this out as quick as possible. Okay. Or maybe do that. Or just gave himself a concussion. See if there's something on that wall. Oh, probably another freaking drum. Oh my God, it's a bass. Trespass fishing is the best. It felt huge because of his rod, but is that a largemouth? That's crazy. We never catch largies in this river, in this area at least. That's crazy. Hell yeah. Look at the belly on that dude. Look at the belly on that dude. Look at the belly on that dude. Later, buddy. Man, he thumped that. That was sick. I thought I had a drum. Oh, that was crazy. It's crazy how that drum was like 4 times that thing's size. Yet that thing fought harder. Let's do that again. Man, that was a blast on this rod. God, I'm in love with this thing, dude. World class, babe. I'm so obsessed with this rod. It's not even funny. We're gonna let that do its thing. There we go. There we go. I think it's heavy and he's not fighting hard. Drum roll, please. Oh, what? Yo, new species. New species. First ever. First ever. First ever. Dude, I don't know if this is a sauger, a walleye. I don't know. They got teeth. I don't know if they're like stabbing me teeth. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I have never caught one of these in my life. This is crazy. Oh, that's so cool, you guys. Look at that on a swim bait. Look at that. Yo, that's so cool. Let's freaking go. New species. That's sick. Oh. All right, y'all, I am thrilled. I think that was a sauger. It wasn't like green like a walleye. I don't know. I don't really know anything about those fish because I don't fish for those fish or catch those fish. They're really, really rare to catch in this river here, honestly. So that was so freaking cool. That was so freaking cool. So this is probably gonna be like my last cast. Might make one more after this, and then I'm gonna go meet my buddy at a different bridge. But oh my gosh, I am stoked. I wish I had like something to measure that on me. But it was long, man. That was a freaking toad. I just got hit. Just got hit again. Alright, this is last cast. Alright, you know, last cast needs one more cast always, so. Oh my gosh. I lost my tail. Did I just lose my tail to another sauger? Did he just bite my tail off? These are strong baits, y'all. Interesting. Alright, well, time to go to the next spot anyway. But man, that's crazy. Alright. That's crazy. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's hope there's no workers up here. Alright, y'all, we are at bridge spot number 2. Let's see if we can make something happen on the all chartreuse paddle. I've done really good over here, but I haven't done really good over here in a while. Oh, oh, it got off. That was not a little fish. That might have been a channel. That thing dumped. Holy, that would have been so awesome on video. I haven't done good over here in a long time. Is that a channel? Yeah. Another new species for the day, though. I know that boy. Oh! Dude, I got thumped right there. Got him. Oh, I lost him. That was a bass though. 100%. Definitely the same fish I just lost twice in a row. Oh. Got him. It's a good spot. Oh, it's a real good spot. I'm gonna have to just try to flip him. Oh yeah. Bro went for it 3 times in a row. Yeah. Woo. Nice spotted bass. Let's go, dude. Show all the people. Oh yeah. Let's go. That's crazy he went after 3 times. Beautiful spot. All right guys, so that's the end of this video, but appreciate you for tuning in, and stay tuned for some future videos that are going to be saltwater here very soon. It's probably going to take me some time to kind of figure out saltwater and start pushing out some videos, and also figuring out my new work schedule and stuff, but I'll try my best to film and to get on some good fish out there. I'm really excited and happy with how the day went. I had a blast. So stoked on that walleye. I did not expect that. It's like, what are the chances? It's my literal last day to fish in Chattanooga and I go catch a freaking walleye. I honestly like to think of it as good karma, because a couple days ago I was out on my kayak and a storm came out of nowhere, and long story short, this couple was out in a canoe in the middle of the river. Their canoe flipped. They had no life jackets. I had already gotten to the boat ramp. I turned around and saw them. They were in the middle of drowning, and I kayaked out there and rescued them. So maybe it was just the river blessing me with something new with the walleye today. But all right guys, thanks for watching again, and make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in saltwater here soon. Peace.